Here I have Motorola Moto G5S Plus, and today I'm going to show you how to change keyboard language on this device. So first of all, you have to open settings, then you have to go to the languages and input, virtual keyboard, Gboard, languages. First you have to disable this feature, use system languages, and now you can select every language from this list. As you can see, it's pretty big. Let's select, for example, Thai language, and try to write something down in the Thai language. And as you can see, now I have Thai keyboard on my device. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.